A stray cat showed up at the door of an optical shop. The dogs at home noticed the stray cat and all looked at their owner. They hoped he would adopt the little cat. However, the owner was not interested in keeping a cat. Surprisingly, one of the dogs actually picked up the little cat in its mouth and carried it into the shop. From that moment on, the dog took care of the little cat as if it were its own baby. Every time the owner gave snacks to the dog, no matter how tempted the dog was, it always gave the food to the little cat first. Even when taking photos, the dog insisted on holding the cat. In winter, the dog even pulled the little cat on a sled to play. What a happy little cat. This is love beyond species.